This is exciting. Protection is great. All right, here we go. Wow. Amazing. Oh, and it's totally lightweight. Well, look at that, everything is included. Does this come out? It does. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's check all of this out. Well, first, look at this. It comes in a case, which is fantastic. And this, oh, what's great about this is that it comes totally assembled. Look, we don't have to do anything. Now let's check out the bag of accessories. Let's see what we got in here. Here we have, we have the scoop, of course. Oh, and we have the liners. Fantastic color. Oh, and here's our manual, our start guide. The bag is great. Oh, power cord, of course. All right, this is gonna be great. Let's see. All right, let's get started. Everything is here. Everything was in the package. Beautiful. And let's set it up. Please remove the 2 anti-shock foam spacers in the rails. So that's this part. Here we go. Easy. Easy. Please push the cleaning rake foam spacer downwards, shown like this. Okay, so this comes off. That gets pushed down like so. There we go. Perfect, easy. Let's put that back. And please follow the quick start guide. Yep, that is what we're gonna do. How to set up. Okay, we did that first step. Remove the foam spacers. Ensure sturdy placement. Find a firm and level floor surface. Okay, I know exactly where this is gonna go. Here we go. We're finding a surface. Okay, yeah, this is great. Like, it looks so big, but it's super lightweight. I'm loving the fact that, look at how easy it is to move around. Okay, here we go. We're gonna set this up. So this comes out. I'll put this here for the moment. And, all right, let's set up the power cord. Everything comes in here. Okay. Oh, there we go. We're in. This, I think, goes underneath. There we go. Goes back. Let's put you on. Plug in. And it's on. So remember, we have to use kitty litter that clumps, which is pretty much everything on the market. I'm gonna put some more in. Oh, because look, there's a line down here that will tell you the minimum amount of kitty litter to use, and right above it is the line for the maximum amount of kitty litter to use. So we can't go above this line. We have to make sure to not go above this line. Hey, look, we got this for you, Maggie. Look, it's your new kitty litter. It's very exciting. Just a little bit more. Oh, look, Maggie, this is for you. There we go. Maggie, you want to come check it out? It's your new kitty litter. Yeah. And this means that Daddy doesn't have to scoop up your kitty litter anymore. I just figured out, because I just read the manual, that when it resets, I have to unplug it. When I want to change the litter, or when I want to put more in or take some out, I have to reset it. So I'm going to do that right now. Here we go. Ta-da! Done. Reset. Triumph. This part, I read some reviews online and some people said that it was a tiny bit difficult, so we're going to see. Now you have to make sure that it snaps in from the back first. Okay, so it's got a little groove there on either side, and it goes into the groove over here, and it went into the groove over there. Okay, well that literally took me 5 seconds, so that was actually not terribly difficult at all. But now it totally fits into place. And it's done. Maggie, come here. Come take a look. Shall we introduce you to your new litter box? Just for you. Want to check it out? It's good, right, Maggie? It's just for you.